Hello everybody, I'm Angel from Bulgaria. We have been using the 4 cubic model high frequency vacuum tube for about 1 year. We are a family company with only 3 employees and a dryer of this type. It's very convenient for us. The main advantage of high frequency vacuum tubes is this: they are powered by electricity and uh, they are completely independent. They are not need big storage for fuel. They are not need boiler for hot water, and they are not need some person who service the boiler 24 hour per day. This is very important for us because uh, we just load the material, push the buttons, start the machine, and we go to do our other job. Uh, the loading, the unloading, the operating with this machine is very easy. The technology of the high frequency is very good.